Hello and welcome to the ingredient channel. In this episode, I'm going to introduce a simple homemade recipe for garlic chili pepper sauce. With the combination of fresh green and red chili peppers plus garlic sauce, the chili sauce opens the taste buds easily and serves a great dipping sauce for dumplings or a simple but delicious topping for noodles and steamed fish. While there are no preserves, one secret ingredient still ensures the long-lasting freshness of the sauce. Let's begin. I picked 3 different types of chili peppers: Korean green chili pepper, jalapeno, and African bird's eye red chili pepper. Feel free to substitute with other chili peppers with the proper level of hotness you prefer. Wash them thoroughly, keep them dry. Remove the membrane and seeds from the jalapeno. Chop into small pieces. Prepare the Korean green chili peppers the same way. Remove the stems from the African bird's eye chili peppers. And then put all the chili peppers in a kitchen food processor to shred. I have a very small food processor, so I'm processing the chili peppers in batches. Mix all of them together, then mince the garlics and mix with the shredded chili peppers. Now here is our secret ingredient, the lemon. Cut into half and squeeze out the juice. Take out the seeds, if any. Pour the juice in. The lemon juice adds fresh lemon tastes, balances the spiciness, and most importantly serves as the natural preserve. Then add salt, sugar, and cooking wine. Mix well. Store in jars or small containers. Put it in the refrigerator for 3 days. There you go. If you are a hot sauce lover, when you open the jar, I hope you'll be very proud of what you have accomplished. Well, I'm glad you stayed through the video and hope you enjoyed it. Please check out the other videos in my channel, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, and see you next time.